a beat. I was trying to beat a case, but I ain't beat that case, bitch. I did the race. Beat it up, or I not shorty face.
What's good, guys? It's Wavy Spice here. Today I'm coming to you guys with a brand new video. I'm super excited about this video because it's something that's going to elevate my brand and just make everything that I do just a little bit more popping. So today I'm going to show you guys the new ring light that I got for the purpose of doing like TikTok and makeup videos. I kept seeing like ads about this ring light and it was like $70. I was like, oh my god, why not? Might as well just try it. My other ring light I think cost like over $100. So yeah, before we get too deep in the video, definitely want to invite you guys to subscribe to my channel, join the Spice Gang, and become a Spice Girl. We have a lot of fun over here. I make videos about beauty, lifestyle, and fashion, and I really make videos for girls that don't fit into your typical beauty standard. You might be dark skinned, you might be just a woman of color, you might be plus size, you don't fit into the mold, but you also don't give a fuck. That's who I make my videos for. And I want you guys to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. I have all that good stuff linked below. I guess we can jump right into the video. Here it is, guys. So I guess I'll kind of just show you guys how it looks. Comes in really sturdy boxing. It had like bubble wrap and everything. And okay. So it looks like it comes with 3 separate pieces. You get a stand, which I'm really excited about this. Did not mean to do that. Okay, so you have to flip it down or fill out, child. Alright. Okay, so I figured that shit out. It comes with a little ring light, and it's just a 10-inch ring light. Wow. Okay, so with this one, it's actually plastic, which is definitely nice compared to the other ring light, just because it doesn't break as easily. I hear about a lot of people breaking their ring lights because it's glass. This is plastic, so you don't really have to worry about that. Has a screw so you can attach it onto the head of this thing, which, since I figured out that comes out like that, it's actually kind of good that it comes out like that because it makes it more portable. I thought it was broken. Just a little lick. Alright, so I got this on. Oh Lord. I'm gonna knock over the aisle. Okay. Alright, so I got it here. And this is a little bit different than what I'm used to. So it has just a USB cord. So you can just plug this into pretty much anything, computer, any power source, which is kind of nice. Okay, so I hooked it up and it has a couple power sources. So I have it right here. Well, it has a couple different settings. So I'm gonna turn it on. That's the first setting. You can make it brighter or you can make it dimmer. And then you can also, so I'm making it back brighter. You can also change the type of light. So you can do a warm light. I'm big on warm light. I love me some warm lights. And then you can do like a more neutral. So it's blue, it's cool, warm, neutral. And then you can go up and down with it. So yeah, it's actually really nice. I'm very happy about it. It's so tiny. It fits on my little table that I have here, which is awesome. So what I want to show you guys, I want to show you guys what it looks like without my other ring light on. So I'm about to turn my ring light off. Ooh, this is not as much light, guys. I don't think you could film YouTube with this, but I think it would work for TikTok. Put it down this. Oh wow, that's actually not that bad. If I had my camera up closer, I don't think that would actually be that bad. This might actually work for YouTube as well. Let's see, change the lighting. Ooh, that's way too cool. I mean, yellow, dim, lighter. And I'm also gonna show you guys what like without my overhead lighting. It might actually work better without that. Whoa. Oh, I feel like it might work kind of good without it. I feel like this is kind of like a bad view because of where it's at, but when your phone is in it, it might actually be pretty good. Yeah, okay. So it also comes with a little package, a little pouch. Is really nice. I can't wait to like reuse this to like hold my little clicker and stuff. And it comes with a couple of different attachments that you can put your phone on, and the iPhone fits into all these. I have an iPhone X. It fits into this. It's a really nice thing that kind of like just holds on to it. And they send you more than one. They send you this one too, which this one just screws right into the middle. So this is the one that I'm gonna actually put on for you guys. And just a little screw for it, so you just screw it in, and I'll show you guys what it looks like with the phone in there. So there's the phone in. I think I want to show you guys what the lighting looks like on the phone. So I'm actually gonna go to TikTok and show you what it looks like here. Okay. So we're gonna cut only this light. So on TikTok now. This should be the neutral lights. There's also the cool lights. And then there's the warm lights. And then I'll show you what it looks like with my other light, which I'll probably more likely do it with. So this is the warm light. Cool light. No, that was actually the neutral light. This is the cool light. I'll dim it. Oop, turned it off. I'll dim it. Yeah. Honestly, I feel like this overall has definitely upgraded the quality of my videos. I am really happy about this purchase. It was pretty inexpensive, and I definitely recommend that you guys try this out, especially if you're avid TikTokers. If you're not on TikTok, you need to get on TikTok, and then if you're on TikTok, go ahead and follow me. I'll leave all of my stuff below. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out. Bye.
Like a face, yeah. See it in my